How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to verify your registered domains on Brevo, previously known as Sendinblue. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you need to log into your Brevo dashboard as an administrator. So here we are, here's what it looks like. And if you guys look to the left panel of the screen, you'll see a couple of different options being home, contacts, campaigns, automations, so on and so forth. So what we're looking for here to verify domains is the IP and domain configuration setting. So this can be found under the account setting dropdown that's on the top right corner of your screen. So normally your company name or your Brevo account would be listed here. So you would want to click on it like so. And right away, you'll see that under plugins and integrations, you'll see the option that says senders, domains, and dedicated IPs. So you guys would want to click on this, just like that. And you'll be met with 4 different options. And from here, you want to click on domains. And all of your registered domains and name servers will be displayed here on this page. So to actually verify it, it's quite simple. You simply make your selection, highlight it, and click on the Manage button. And you have a couple of different options like unlock domain or verify domain. So obviously we're looking to verify domain here. So what we would do is click on verify domain. And what would happen is Brevo would then send an email to the email address that's tied to our Brevo account to verify the domain to make sure that it is ours. So what this means is that we get full access to the features that are on Brevo for our domain configuration and whatnot. So yeah, there you guys have it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.